Oh, hello everyone. Welcome on board the Sketchcan Caravan, where you can learn to draw a scuba diver. Some people like to explore the ocean by diving deep under the water. To spend a long time underwater, you need special equipment, like a wetsuit to keep you warm, flippers to help you move smoothly through the water, a face mask and an air tank on your back so you can breathe. Let's start by drawing this arm. It looks a bit like a standing up rectangle with one curvy end for the shoulder. Near the bottom of your page, draw across the bottom of the rectangle, up the long side, curve over the shoulder and back down to where you started. Draw an oval on the end for the hand. Behind the arm we can see the body. It looks like a lying down oval. Find this place on the arm and draw out, up and around the shoulder. Keep going around until you get to the other side of the arm and stop. This arm is stretching out in front of the body. Find this place on the oval and draw straight forward. Down the short side of the rectangle and all the way back to the body. And you can do another oval on the end for the hand. It looks like this person is reaching out to pull themselves through the water. Let's draw the legs next. One leg is straight and one is bent. Let's draw the straight leg first. It looks a bit like a lying down rectangle that is wider near the body and thinner near the ankle. Starting about here, draw down slightly along the back side of the leg until you get to the ankle, and then draw a short line down. Follow it all the way back to the underside of the body where the tummy starts. The other leg is bent. It starts in the same place. Draw straight out until you get halfway along the other leg, then go up and across the ankle and down to the knee. Scuba divers usually wear flippers. These are special swimming shoes that help them move through the water like seals or dolphins. Let's use long triangles for these. Start on one corner of the ankle and draw out to a point. Cross the short side and then back to the other corner of the ankle. You can do the same on the other leg. Out to a point, across the short side and back to the leg. We can use a circle for the head, so let's start here, just above the arm, and draw one line that goes all the way around. When you dive deep into the cold water, you usually have a hood on your wetsuit to keep your head warm, so we won't see this person's hair, but we can see a big mask over their eyes. Near the top of the head, draw a curvy line that goes up slightly. Near the bottom of the head, draw a curvy line that goes down slightly. Right in the middle of this mask along the bottom line, draw a tiny little semicircle to show where the nose fits, and 2 dots for eyes. Most divers carry air tanks on their backs so they can breathe underwater. So let's draw another rectangle with one curvy end, lying across the diver's back. Starting halfway along the back leg, draw a short line up, and then a long line across. Curve around the end till you meet the upper part of the back. There's a big strap that holds the tank onto the diver's back, so let's use a straight line from the top of the tank down to the diver's belly, and another one exactly the same next to it, so you can colour it later. Below the eye mask there is a breathing mask. It looks like a little rectangle. To show this, draw a line from the bottom line of the eye mask down to the cheek, and then the same on the other side of the nose. And then we need a tube that carries the air from the mask all the way round the back of the head to join the top of the tank. Go to this point on the side of the head and draw a curvy line all the way round until you get to the middle of the breathing mask. Curve round the end and then back out and round. You can draw a tiny little line just here to show where it joins the top of the air tank. Now it's time to use your imagination. Perhaps your diver is carrying something. Are they just looking? Are they taking photographs? Or maybe they're trying to catch or collect something. Don't forget to add some colour.